Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. I've got a bunch of custom knives right over here on the table. I'm gonna go really quick through them, but I want to mention that we got a pretty awesome consignment program, so you can send us your knives, your fidget toys, and we're gonna take care of the sale. Don't worry about that. So we got you covered. So let's go ahead and start with this bad boy KC Gray knives. This is a Queen's Anne's Revenge. It's new blackout Damascus steel bolsters are Damascus. Look at the color right over here. Clip is Damascus as well. It's gonna be $10.49, and here's the action right over there. The blade length is going to be 9.5 centimeters, or if you prefer in inches, is going to be 3.6. It is a liner lock, and it's pretty cool. Next up, we've got KC Gray as well. This is a quick bird flipper. New condition, blackout Damascus steels, bolster, pocket clip Damascus. Scales are marble carbon fiber like the Queen Anne's Revenge. Backspacer is in marble carbon fiber as well. $10.49 for you, and this is the pretty sweet closing action. You have as well a almost 3.5 inches for the cutting edge. Check out this blade. Next up, we got two Greg Lightfoot. These are LLC. These are brand new October 2025 black Damascus bolsters. Check these colors: marble carbon fiber, scales, spacer, titanium, orange peeled, blue anodized, liners, clip, matching the spacers. Indeed, nice jimping. Greg Lightfoot. This is a liner lock with a thumb stud that just flies open. Closing action, pretty smooth. This is going to be $19.50, and remember guys, all these are our best offers, so you can just send me an email and send your reasonable offer. Again, we got a 3.5-inch blade for that bad boy. This is the twin, so we got two of these bad boys, same specs over here. Next up, DB Fraley. Check this out. This is a Torrent, also new condition liner lock with a pretty cool action. You have also some boomerang Damascus recurve blade. Look at that. Bolsters are boomerang Mokutai. Check out the color. Clip also boomerang Mokutai with lost soul engraving. Boomerang Mokutai as well for the backspacer, and marble carbon fiber for the scales. Check this out, nice and snappy. This is a 3.5 blade as well. Closing action, really cool. Next up, we have this Allen Elijahwitz. This is a tank, and condition is pretty new. Check it out. Carbo tie set of scales. You don't see this very often. Mokutai pocket clip, ceramic ball, S90V hand rubbed finish. For the blade, compound grind, custom hardware. Look at that, and this is going to be $10.50. The blade length is 3.2 inches, so liner lock as well as Mokutai backspacer. Actually, sorry, Damascus backspacer. Look at that, and titanium liners and two standoffs as well. Next up, a very cool one, pretty unique Brian Tycoon with Warrior Blade. Very mint condition, I would say. There is just one imperfection on the blade right over here, but this is probably from the maker, because it might be like some just minor imperfection. This is a button lock, of course, and a flipper, of course. Titanium blasted frame. You have Warrior Battle Profile. Check out the file work on the spine. Signature, pocket clip, tip down carry, and proverbial Brian tie action. This is a 850 and knife. Next up, Gustavo Cecchini, GTC Supersonic, and also pretty new condition. You have a blasted titanium frame, Warrior Battle, this is satin finish blade with harpoon, with jimping. Look at the stud in Mokutai. Handle as well, it has a satin finish to it. The clip, supersonic anodized clip, frame lock, very, very cool indeed. This is a thumb stud action, strong detent. It still has to break in, this bad boy, and it is going to be a 1250 knife. Next up, guys, check this out. RJ Martin Q36 dressy with some zirconium bolster, carbon fiber scales, everything is in zirc, titanium pocket clip, titanium liners, and I believe this is a carbon fiber backspacer. This sound is unmistakable. Double clutch opening recurve blade. Look at this beauty right over here. This is going to be 3750 in your pocket. This guy, I forgot the size for those one, is going to be almost 4 inches for this blade. Gustavo Cecchini is almost 4 inches, 3.8. And the Brian Tie Tycoon, again, 4 inches from tip to toe. Same thing goes for this other RJ Martin Q36 titanium bolsters. This time RJ Martin beautifully made. Look at the satin blade, carbon fiber scales, backspacer, titanium pocket clip. This comes as a, there is a little mark over here on the bolster, but the action is spectacular. Recurve blade. Look at that. Very, very nice. This is going to be 3750. Sorry, this is 4250. I made a mistake. This is a Fernando Medina Hellcat. Excellent condition. You've got some zircutai scales. Check it out. Zirconium bolster blasted. It is a frame lock with orange peel titanium lock side. Blade is a Takefu satin finish with some zircutai spacer as well. $13.99 for you guys. Very cool action indeed. Check out the pivot collar in zircutai as well, with a 3.2 inches blade. And that is going to be $13.99, I told you. Last but not least, we have a phenomenal Rod Olson Urban Tack fully dressed, new condition. This is a zirconium polished scale with some of my fingerprints. Don't worry, this is perfect. Button lock, inlaid button, zirconium, tie mascus inlays, tie mascus, pocket clip, and zirc hardware, Damasteel blade, of course. Action just spectacular, very classy, and gentleman knife. It's gonna be yours for $22.50. So there you have it, guys. Oh, I didn't tell you the size for this bad boy, which in inches is going to be 3 inches. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.